Hello my friends, Namaste. Today we have day number 8 in our Breathwork challenge and we're gonna learn Ujjayi Pranayama. Ujjayi means the victorious breath, also known as ocean breathing or Darth Vader breathing, because it makes the sound like Darth Vader. It's like fogging a mirror. But as you inhale, we inhale through the nose, but we contract the throat. It's very good for stimulating the vagus nerve and to activating the Vishuddha, the throat chakra. With this technique, we can learn to expand our breath to take only one breath in a minute. What we're gonna do today is to practice Ujjayi Pranayama in combination with breath hold. So we inhale for 10 seconds, we hold for 10, we exhale for 10. That means we take 2 breaths in a minute. With this pranayama technique, you can learn the art of breathing only once or twice every few minutes. It's very powerful. So find yourself in a comfortable sitting position, close your eyes, keep your spine straight, the rest of the body relaxed. Relax your shoulders, your arms, your hands, upper and lower back. Relax your chest, your abdominal area, your sitting muscles, your legs, your feet. Relax your neck, your face muscles, your forehead, your eyelids, and keep a gentle smile on your lips. And take a few conscious breaths. And then we're gonna breathe with Ujjayi breath, 4 seconds in, 6 seconds out. Continue on your own. The counting is not so important, but make the exhalation a bit longer than the inhalation. Important also to hear the sound. Later on you can make it very subtle, that only you can perceive it, but for now, make the sound a bit louder. One more round. Okay, now we're gonna do 2 breaths. Let's say in 60 seconds, we breathe 2 times. We inhale for 10 seconds, we hold for 10, we exhale for 10. Times 2 equals 60 seconds. Just that you get a feeling and understanding how slow you could actually breathe. Okay. Inhale, exhale normally. Then we inhale Ujjayi Pranayama 10 seconds. I will count for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Continue on your own without any counting, with only a short breath hold. Feel the opening in the chest area, the calmness of the mind, and the depth of the pranayama practice. Just relax. Relax your body, relax your mind, and focus on the breath. And make the breath very slow and calm. Let go of the Ujjayi technique and just let the breathing happen by itself. Letting go. Find the peace within. Wonderful. Slowly rub your hands together. Make them nice and warm. Place them on your forehead and over your eyelids and deeply look within yourself. Massage your eyelids, your forehead, your skull, your face muscles, your neck, the chest, abdominal area, the side of the ribs, the lower and the upper back, under the armpits, your arms and hands on both sides, your fingers. Give them a nice massage, your sitting muscles, your thighs, your legs. This is also a very great technique doing long yoga asanas to deeply relax into the asana. Thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow we're going to do a very energizing technique, my favorite, number one. You will really experience highest state of mind, a higher state of being. Can't wait to see you tomorrow. Namaste.